Hello everyone, my name is Santino Miguel Cabrera. Today we're going to talk about the 13-step menstrual cycle. First, the menstrual cycle begins when an egg matures or ripens in any of the ovaries. At the same time, the endometrium starts to thicken for a possible pregnancy. The matured egg is released from the ovary. The lining of the uterus continuously thickens until it is ready to receive the fertilized egg. Third, that the thickened uterus will serve as the home for the developing embryo. Fourth, if pregnancy does not successfully happen, the endometrium breaks down or is destroyed and discharged from the body. This discharge of blood and tissue is known as menstruation or menstrual period. The menstrual cycle lasts 28 days, but some females have menstrual cycles as short as 21 days or as long as 35 days and are considered normal. Sixth, the endocrine system plays an important role in the menstrual cycle. 7. During the first half of the cycle, the pituitary hormone, which is FSH, stimulates an egg to mature inside one of the ovaries. When the egg starts to develop, it secretes estrogen, which causes the endometrium to also thicken. In the middle of the menstrual cycle, which is about the day 14, the level of luteinizing hormone starts to rise, thus ovulation occurs. The ovary releases the egg and travels into the fallopian tube. It takes 7 days for the egg to travel into the fallopian tube going to the uterus. Next is the production of progesterone increases after the time the egg reaches the uterus. As the progesterone increases, it maintains the growth of the endometrium. If the egg has not been fertilized, progesterone and estrogen levels drop, and the endometrium breaks down and the unfertilized egg passes out of the vagina. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.